Good afternoon, everybody. This is Dana Alderman, your instructor for DES250 Portfolio Design. This is our last class. This is Wednesday, week 4. And first of all, before we even get started, I want to say thank you so much for all the hard work that you've done in this class. You guys have come a long way. Your work should be scrutinized, and so you should get feedback all the time. So when you're out in the industry or when you're trying to do freelance or anything like that, trying to redo your portfolio, you are more than welcome to contact me and I will give you the feedback that is needed. Or, you know, there's other instructors and there's your FPAs as well. Now, please don't take it as a personal attack. Out in the industry, what's going to happen, you're going to get a lot more than what I gave you. I tend to be pretty nice about, you know, the way I use kind of a sandwich method or whatever. Out there, they're just going to say, no, that just doesn't work. It looks like crap. I'm telling you, they will not sugarcoat anything. Excuse me. So with that being said, I want you guys to practice getting a harder shell and understand that it's not personal. It is all in the name of trying to make you better designers. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and jump off cam, and I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And today, are there any questions before we get started? Actually, this is Wednesday, not Tuesday. I don't know why I did that. I think I lost a day.
I don't have any questions.
Okay, good. All right, so we're going to talk about alternate thumbnails, Behance sizes, uploading to Behance, and creating your portfolio. And I'm going to optimize images, things like that. Now, did you guys, Cynthia and Tori, did you see that I put another video in the announcements, the one that says mockups? I put 2 videos, one for the regular lecture, and then there was another mock-up video.
Yes, I did see that.
Okay, so everybody else that's watching the recording, please refer to that if you need any mock-up assistance. Unfortunately, because we only have so much time, you know, and we have a lot to cover today, but this to me is the fun part of it. It's where you get to see the end result of what you've done as a student. You get to put your whole entire portfolio together, right? All right, so first things first. Now, I pulled a couple of my other projects because I want to add them to Behance. I have a lot of these already, but I did not have the, I'm not sure if I had the mood board, but I have the box here. I don't have a mock-up for that yet, but I'm going to do one mock-up. These are the labels. I'm going to do the mock-up for this. So you guys can see how you can do that kind of thing. I've also got my Sioux River that, as you guys already know, I'm putting those in there. And I already have those mocked up. What else?
Dana, I did have one quick question. The mock-up files that you included in the announcement, was there supposed to be a link to those?
It should be, because I put it in there yesterday.
Yeah, because I'm clicking on it and it's not taking me anywhere.
Maybe it did not
link.
Okay.
Yeah, I see the mock-up video, but down there the mock-up files.
Yeah, it didn't link. I'll fix it.
It doesn't look like the video links linked either. Underneath the mock-up video where you have video links there.
Oh wow, it didn't either, huh? Well, that is weird. I don't understand. Okay, let me do that right now.
Okay.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm glad I caught that, because I was trying to get into the mock-up files and I'm like, wait a minute, it's not working.
Huh. I hope I did not see. Yeah, well, David Aries is up there. The mock-up link, is that the right one? Mock-up video. This is video links. That is very weird that it did not do that. Well, it's there now. Yes, because I was in here. I don't know. Sometimes it just acts up. I apologize, guys. Okay. Okay, it's fixed now. Well, hopefully. I'll check it again.
Thank you.
Yep, we're good. Okay. No problem. Thank you. I appreciate that. Because if you don't say anything, I don't notice. It was linked. I don't know. Sometimes it does that, but okay, let's get back. Where was I? What's I doing? I totally lost my train of thought here. Oh, alternate thumbnails and stuff. Okay, so I am going to actually do a couple of these. I've got the Sioux River. I've got the artboard for that, and then I have the rest of the titanium that I'm going to actually be bringing into my design. And I'm gonna create a box for this here. Okay, I've actually got to go grab the main file. But before we do that, I want you guys to notice that last week I posted this, and this is something that I created as a Behance reminder, okay? Making sure that your thumbnail is no less than 808 by 632, okay? We always use the width, okay? As far as the actual images that you use to upload, which is the presentation part, at max, it's 1400 by 1400. I always use 1000. That's my take. You guys can use 1400 if you want to. That's on the width side. I usually do. So, okay. All right. So I am gonna grab. Let's see. Titanium. I need the box. Let's see what I do with that. Labels right there. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go over to Photoshop. I'm going to go to File and New. Just do an 8.5 by 11. Let's see. I'll do 11, 8.5. I want it. Okay. And resolution 72 is good. And create. Okay. All right. So I need to create a box, or I need to find a box, right? I can. Let's just do cardboard. All right. Mock-up World has some nice ones. That's not the kind of box that I need. I need more like this. Okay. Oh, wow. That's actually free. I can just download that. But I can also create that if I need to. I'm going to show you how. Come on. Okay. So I got the PSD. I'm just going to go ahead and open that. All right. So I'm going to move this over here because I can't see. All right. So looking at this, okay, this is the contrast of the box. This is the actual project, okay. The actual box itself. Turn this off, okay. And these are the shadows. You won't be able to see any of those. So as far as the box, let's look over here. I'm going to double click in there. No, nope, it's not the right one. Project highlights, top side right here. So this is the top, left, and front. Okay. So I am gonna go. Let's do the top side. That's fine. All we need is to grab this right here. Let me zoom in. Okay. This color, this black, is what we're going to use for the top, sides, everything like that, right? So I'm just going to go over here and Command V as in Victor. Okay, are we not working? Thank you. Okay. All right, so that's not a rich black. I need it to be a rich black. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to check this color. Window. Color. Right there. All right, colors right there. All right, I'm just going to go here and I'm going to go show options. Yeah, it's not a dark, rich black. A dark, rich black is all the way, it's 0, 0, 0. Okay, so I'm going to copy that again. So I have to make sure that this is the same thing. And it's not. So I'm going to grab all these before I even do anything. Go like, no, stop. Okay. Come on, please. I don't know why it's, oh, I know why. It's being slow because I have something that I did a live trace on, so it's being silly. Okay. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to do all the same. Okay, that's all black. Huh, why isn't it selecting? Come on. Okay, good. Looks like it, yeah. Looks like they're all, yep. Okay, now they're all good. All right. It's going to take a minute to save this file. And see, this texture is what I used a text wrap, not a text wrap, a image trace on it, so it takes a little bit longer. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Let's go back over here, Command V as in Victor. You'll see a big difference between, look at that black compared to the black that I had originally, right? All right. Now to get this to fit, it's just a black box, so I don't have to constrain it. Command S is in Sam, right? There's the top, right? Now what I can do, and this is actually, let me go back to the top side. I can come over here and do the left side, right? And I'm going to come back over to the top side, and I'm going to right click, duplicate the layer, and I want to take it to, does anybody know where I'm taking it to? Do you remember?
The left side.
Yep. And then say okay. So going over to the left side, see it's there, right? All I need to do is hold my shift key, because the new features with Photoshop, you hold your shift key to distort now, which I don't know. Whatever. I'm not going to argue with them. Anyway, Command S is in Sam. Okay. So now if we go back over here, we have the front and the side, right? I'm going to leave the left side open, just because I need this to go over to the front side as well, but I have to add other stuff to it, right? So I'm going to double click on my front side, come over to the left side, oops, right click, wrong way, duplicate the layer, and that's going over to the front side. Okay. So I can close this. Actually, no, I can't. I need it back open. I forgot. Well, that's all right. I'll do this for the moment. I'm going to hold my shift and bring that in here. Command A. I'm going to center this. Command D as in dog. Okay. Now, I'm going to come over here, and I need to grab all of this. Not that. Okay, Command X. Make sure. Okay, yeah, Command C. Please move over. Come on. Come on, what is going on here? Not moving. Okay. All right, let's try that again. Okay, Command C. And Command V as in Victor. No, something else came with that. What came with that? Oh, I know why. Okay, never mind. Because it's reading the image for this right here is, if that's what it's reading. So I'm going to actually Command minus shift. No, not shift. I'm going to do Option, I think. And bring that down. Thank you. You see what it's doing. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, that's like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna actually take a ruler. I need to bring it down because I need to know exactly where this is. And I have it at the 5.5 mark. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go back to my left side. I'm going to Command D, duplicate layer, and take it over to my left side. Say okay. And that's a little big. So 5.5. That's really big for this. Come on, please. Oh, I guess it's, yeah, it's about the same. So I'm going to bring that up a little bit. Where's my... Okay, it's going to go up just a bit. Command S. I'm just going to put that there. Let's go to the front. Command S. Let's go look at the box. Look at that. Almost. It's not 100%, and it looks like I've got. Oh no, it's fine there. So it looks like the front side's got to come up just a tad. There we go. Much better, right? Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I got to bring my subscription stuff onto here, right? Where is my, why are you not? Hold on. Let me lock this because it's being silly. There we go. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Maybe. Well, we'll see what it looks like. If not, I'll have to take it apart because sometimes that's what happens, unfortunately. Yeah, bump that up. Yeah, I'm going to have to do it separately. I don't like it like that. Let's just do that. Command C. Sometimes you can build it, just have to build it in Photoshop, you know. Make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to go grab the typeface and go over to Photoshop. And this is what, because it looked like it was too small. Okay, I'm going to hold that. And this, make sure that is not. Why does that feel? I'm going to, let's see, let me use this marquee because it feels like it's got too much space around it. Rasterize layer. Command X. Yeah. And then Command V. There we go. No, not liking that at all. Why did it look like that? All right. I'm just going to do, I'll just make sure that it's tapped over a little bit. That's all. Okay. So let's go over here. There we go. Right? Now, sometimes like the highlights, see the highlights here? I don't like that those highlights are all over the whole thing. I could now use a brush if I want to and come in here and take some of this off. I'd rather it be nice and orange. That was the whole kind of point of the orange, is kind of bringing the invigorating feeling to it. I mean, I could use the rest of it, that'd be fine, but I like it like this. This is how I wanted it. But see, look what I did there, right? So I'm going to actually, what I would probably do, instead of using that, I would use my pen tool and just do it like this. Like that. And I'm going to right click, make selection, no feather radius, and I'm going to delete that, and then I'm going to come over here and just go ahead and make another mask. Whoop, wrong way. I'm going to do select inverse. Sorry about that. And then I'm going to mask it. And there it is, right like that. See how much better? To me, it looks much better that way. What do you guys think?
I agree. That really pops a lot more.
Yeah, I think so too. So now, like the background, I'd probably put it on a store shelf or something like that, to be honest with you, but we don't have a lot of time, so I'm not gonna do all that. But I wanted to show you some of this. Now, creating a box like this is not hard, guys. All it is rectangles. Okay, see, I can put this rectangle like here, and I could use my direct selection tool right there. Path selection tool. No, it's direct selection tool. I don't know. Photoshop is a little different there. Okay, so, and then I could just rearrange this just like that. Okay. And then you can just bring it in that way as well. Okay. So, all right. So I'm going to do file and I'm going to export and save for web. And I'm going to make a JPEG. Remember, everything must be a JPEG or a PNG. For this class, I'm requiring a JPEG. So 1,000 at the width. Okay. And if you remember, we talked about load time and quality, right? I've got a 60% quality. I'm going to turn it up to 100 and see how. It's only a 2-second load time, right? So I think we're good to go. And then we're going to go ahead and save that. And I'm going to put this with titanium right in here. Okay. All right. Now let's talk about alternate thumbnails and stuff like that. The reason why we might need alternate thumbnails is because we want to tell kind of a story, right? I decided that I'm going to, for my thumbnail for titanium, I already did the poster, but I'm going to do a new, and a thumbnail is 808 by 6 something. I have to look back at that. I closed it. But I'm going to just do, I usually do about 900 by 900, and I know that works, right? So I'm going to go ahead and create. Now, I've got this image that I think would be pretty cool. I'm going to place linked. And actually, let me do this. I'm going to go titanium. I have a swipe file, and this image right here is the image that I'm going to use. It would get them to turn their head, right? No. What in the world? Stop. Oh, there it is right there. I'm going to Command C. I'll use this one. No, I don't want to use that one. I'm going to use the other one. Let's see if I can find it. I can use this one. Yeah, I'll use that one. Command A, Command C. And Photoshop. Command V as in Victor. All right, I'm going to zoom out. Go to, I'm not going to hold my shift key. I keep saying I'm going to hold my shift key, but I'm not going to. All right, so I'm going to bump this over just a little bit. Actually, I think that's pretty cool like that. Yeah. Not too much, but not too little. And then I'm going to go grab the titanium logo, right? And actually, I can talk today. I can grab it from here. Command C, Command V as in Victor, Smart Object. Okay, you don't want to do pixels because it'll be too pixelated. Shift and Option, and I'm going to bring that right here. But it's a little hard to read, so what I'm going to do is, these things are driving me nuts down here. You guys can't see that. It's my my chats as we all mess with. Okay, let's see here. Spread, ooh, there we go. Distance. Turn that down just a little bit. I don't know. Let's see. That men's skincare down there is getting really lost. So I think, let me try. Let's do orange. Let me do an orange. Let me see how it works. I don't know that it's going to, but send it backwards. Okay, and I'm going to put that on a, nah. Actually, I like that. I think, oh, wow, look at that. But the problem is this still gets lost down here. So I'm just going to keep it as titanium. I'll have to take the men's skincare off the bottom for now. Unless, there's one other thing I can do. That's not going to work. Cancel. Maybe. Let's do this. Okay. Yeah, that works a little bit better. What do you think? Okay, so I really like that. I think it really works with, I mean, I could use different color, but I really think this color works pretty well. Excuse me. Let's turn that down just a little bit. That still kind of works, right? All right, so file, and I'm going to export and save for web legacy. Now this is 900 by 900. Okay, it says it's a 7-second load time, and that's just because, no, there's no way that's a 7-second load time. Let's see, 2 megabytes per second, 9 pixels by 9 pixels. What? 900 by 900 pixels. Huh, that's weird. Ah, you know what I gotta do, never mind. I need to crop this. Double click, there we go. There we go. Because I didn't crop it before, there was still more data that needed to be taken out there. So still 7 seconds. Why? All right, let me check. File or image size. Sometimes you go, it's 12 by 12, and that's 900 by 900. 72. I don't know why it's being like that. Let me rasterize that. Okay, let's do this. And J and merge. File. I don't know why. That's really weird. Okay, well, that's a 3-second. I keep it at that, but I don't understand why it's. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm going to keep it there. You just, our job as designers is to solve a problem, right? And that's right now. I had a problem here, and I'm just like, okay, well, you know, it's a very high, still very high, and I don't want it to be over 4 seconds. So I'm going to take it right there, and I'm just going to name this titanium. I'm just going to put thumbnail or thumb. Okay. So then I would just and save that. Okay. Now, I'm going to keep this, right? I'm just going to delete everything that's in here. I don't need the PSD. Okay. I'm going to come over here, and now I'm going to do the Sioux River. Okay. Do I want to do beer? Do I want to do the beer bottles? Do I want to do the logo? I'm not sure. I think, yeah. Okay, let me go to Sioux. Swipe I need. Sioux. Okay. There's the swipe right there. And a swipe file, basically, it's a digital file. That's all it is. Let's see, what other one? Oh, excuse me. It's kind of like that, but at the same time, I have another one that, where is it? I think, where is that other one? This one right here. I think I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to do Option and Shift and bring that over here a little bit. And then bring the logo in here. Where's my logo? Let's try that one. Actually, I think it works pretty well. Let me try the other side. I don't know. Making this a little bit bigger. All right, let me try one more thing. I'm going to do a lighter drop shadow. Multiply, I need a screen. There we go. No, not so much. Excuse me. Okay, it looks a little bit better. Just kind of playing with it just to make it pop a little bit. I think that color's got to be. Ooh, look at that. Okay. I think that works. I was trying to make sure brewery was sticking out a little bit. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm going to go Shift and Option because I want that a little bit bigger. Bump that over a little bit. Press Return. All right. So File and then Export, right? Save for Web Legacy. Okay, we're at a 2 seconds. See the difference? I don't know why. I mean, I don't know. Let's go, maybe that image was just, okay, so that's a 4-second load time, 900 by 900. I keep the same thing, right? And this one is going to be No, this is Sioux River. Desktop. Right there. And I'm going to put S-I-O-U-X thumb. Okay. So I've got that done. And I don't even need that. Okay. Now I have my mock-ups. Now I'm going to go over to Behance. Now everything that you do should have mock-ups, right? And it should have an engaging image because you want them to look at everything. Excuse me. You want to excite them. You want them to delve further into it. Okay. Now, all right. So this right here is the website that I use for the class. That's why there's so much stuff in it, because I'm continually putting stuff in it. I really need to work on my other one, but anyway, so this is the menu in Stella's Foundation. Of course, you know, this is that Cleveland campaign. I've got the menu in here twice, so I'm going to take this out, as you see, because I add other things. Okay. Magazine. Do I have the Cleveland in here twice? I mean, my other one in here twice. Let's see. Stella's Cleveland. No, it looks like I'm pretty good. Okay. All right, so basically all you're going to do, and every project needs to have its own, what I call category or a folder, if you want to call it that. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to upload files. So I've got my Sioux River. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to just take all of this, and then I'm going to choose. Okay. Now, I brought them all in there, and that was that CMYK. It said that it was CMYK, which it was transferring it over to RGB. But for this, they were RGB because you saw me change the color. So I don't know why it did that. All right, so I'm going to start with the logo. I'm going to change this. Do I want to keep all of that, both of them? Yeah, I think I do. So I'm going to reverse that. That's I want all my labels with my labels. Make sure that you are being very well organized, okay? This is a very important part of being a designer, is organization, okay? So I'm going to bring this over here, and I'm going to put this right above, because I want them to see the mock-up first, and then I want them to see the bottle labels, okay? Then I want them to see, there's an advertisement. So I want them to see the mock-up. There's the advertisement, mock-up, and advertisement. This logo needs to go all the way up here, right? Above. So notice, excuse me, the principle of repetition is being used a lot, right? Everything needs to be in a certain order. Okay, so here is the image for the website, but I don't have a flat for the website. I know I do. I did it. So SIOUX web. Let's take a look. Right there. Okay, well, I'm just going to open it up. And then I'm going to go to File, and in InDesign, you export it as a JPEG. I'm going to do that on the desktop in my titanium file. Is that no? It's Sioux. I got titanium on the brain. And then I'm going to save, and I want to do all of them, maximum, and export. Okay. Now I exported them, but that's not all I have to do, guys, because in InDesign, you don't have the same settings as you do in Photoshop. Okay. So basically what I'm now going to do is I'm going to go File, and actually let's do this. Find them on the desktop. And this is the web. See, look at them. Look how big they are, right? So I'm going to right click here and open with Photoshop. And all I need to do now is File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. See that how huge that is? 1000 is the width I'm using. And that automatically gives me a 3-second load time. I'm going to put this one, SueWeb 3, that's right. Cancel. Sue. Oh yeah, okay. SueWeb 3. Replace. Wanted to make sure I was replacing the right one. Okay, File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. Change this to 1000. It's automatically going to bring it down. That's a 4-second load time, and that's actually pretty good considering. Look at all these images that are in there, right? Save. That's Web 2. It's going to be replaced. You can close that. And I don't need to save it. And then File, Export. And again, 1000. Save. And then save. And replace. Okay, now they're ready to go. I can put them. I don't want to create a project. I want to upload files. And I'm going to go over to Sioux River. And I'm going to add these. So I'll add them to the bottom. Okay, which is fine. Okay, and then I need to reorder project, making sure everything is the way that I need, and it is. I'm going to save that new order. Okay, so that's the first part that you do. Okay, then you're going to save. Now you're going to go to the cover. I could use this, but I made one specifically for this. So S-I-O-U-X. I always spell that out because otherwise I'll I will spell it wrong. Sioux River Brewery. Okay, see it says minimum size of 808 by 632. But I'm just gonna, I could use that one like I said, but wait a minute, that is my thumb right there. Wait, what is going on? Hold on a second. What happened? It looked like I must have deleted the extension. I didn't mean to, but okay. It's still not allowing me. Why? Huh, let me see something. What is going on with that thing? Let me file. No, let me file open. It's there. I don't get it. Okay, let me open it with Photoshop. Open with Photoshop. Image size 9 by 9. That is very weird. Okay, let's try it again. File, export, save for web legacy. It's a 4-second load time. Save. Okay, JPEG. Okay, that's right. Save. I don't know why it's not allowing me to upload that because these are all JPEGs, every one of them. Oh, now it is. Wow. Okay, whatever. Maybe it's my computer. I don't know. Okay, so let's see. I think that's a pretty good image for that. What do you think? Would you be engaged by that? Would you want to pick it up?
If I drink beer.
Well, I don't drink beer either, so.
I actually had a DJ friend that used to make fun of me because I wouldn't drink beer. I'm like, yeah, well, I prefer to drink stuff that's palatable.
I don't do that. So, all right. So creative fields, and you got to categorize this. So you're going to add. All right. So we know it's branding. We know it's graphic design. What else is it? Packaging. All right. So I'm going to come over here and do packaging. So you do 3. Okay. In your tools that you use, click Add, and I already used Adobe Illustrator, and then I use Adobe Photoshop for the mock-ups and such. Okay, and I'm going to say done. Co-owners, nobody. Copyright and license, I'm selfish like that. I do not allow anybody to use my stuff without permission, as you shouldn't either. That's up to you, but we work very hard on this stuff, you know. So you don't need to do anything on this part. Discoverability, on the other hand, you can just write a short. Look at me, Sioux River, SIOUX. Labels. Oh, actually, I should go here. Labels. Advertisements. I did something more than that. I don't think I didn't even do them all. I bring them all over. I have to. I did punch cards and all sorts of other stuff too. So, but I
did a website.
Yeah, and website. Yeah, I'll just put that for now. But I do have like punch cards and different things else that I created. So let me capitalize that. Be right there. Thank you, Tori. I'm going to put brand, not branding. Let's say logo, billboards, labels, graphic design. No, I can't put that in there because I already put that in the other one. Let's just say website. I can put website in there. What else? I did do a menu too, but I haven't finished it, so I'll just leave it like that. Okay. You can add the school, independence. Okay, so it's not in there yet. And then you go there and you go to school and then done. Okay. And if you work with a team, you can credit and then you can save and then you can publish. Okay. So I'm going to continue. I did that already. Crop and continue, publish. Where's that one? And go back over to my profile, and there is the Sioux River. Okay. I don't think I put the basic bank one in. Oh yeah, I did. It's right there. Okay. So let me walk you through that one more time. I'm going to create another project. I'm going to upload. Wait a minute. Before I do that, let me check some. No, I didn't put it in that one. Okay. So I'm going to create another project, and I'm going to upload for titanium. So I've got the advertisement, the box, the labels, the mood board. I don't have the, gotta find it. That's weird. That's doing that. These are JPEG. I don't understand that, but whatever. I need to grab my billboard. Oh, I gotta do titanium. Tie. I'm like, where? Why isn't that coming up? Okay, so I've got billboards there. What did I do with my mood board? Billboard, billboard, billboard. I know I have it. Okay, so there's the logo, mood board, labels. See, I did, I don't know. Should be in here. Well, okay, I'm just going to open that up. All right, I'll do file and no. Okay, file and export. I sworn I had it in there. No, it was the mood board, so it's fine. I'm going to export. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to open it up in, that's not it. What happened? Oh, now it's writing. What in the world? Why is it taking so long? Something is opening. Something is up with my computer, apparently. All right, let's open that. And I'm going to do file, export, save for web. Oh, because it's really large. I'm going to do 1,000. Let's take a look. 4-second load time. Let's go 90. Let's see. It's a 3-second load time. We're good with that. Okay. And then save. And save. Okay. Let's go back over to, I want to upload the billboard. Okay. Now I'm going to click on this. I'm going to reorder the project as I said before. So what, I need the titanium logo. Titanium. That's the logo there, but where is, wow, I don't know what happened to all my stuff. Maybe it's on the desktop. Light Health Fitness, Couriers, Titanium, logo. That's weird. Well, there's the punch card. Huh. Okay, well, it's right there. Oh, you know what? Maybe I didn't. Okay, file and export. I don't think I rendered this one out because I put it into my my presentations. Why? All right, so as far as the logo, I don't usually do any more than about 600 on the logo itself. Otherwise, it looks too large. Okay. And that one, in Illustrator, you can just and I just do that. In Illustrator, you have the same type of progression and control as you do Photoshop. So I'm gonna go ahead and save that. Where did I save? Okay, save. Where did I save it at? Okay, desktop. There we go. All right. So I'm going to do here, and I'm just going to bring that over. And I'm just going to drag it in there. You drag it in, and I can just, let me actually Cancel that and then reorder it again. There we go. All right. So this is going to be at the top, and I do have a mock-up, but right now I'm just trying to get everything in here, kind of give you guys an idea. Okay. I think I'm going to use this image first. And I do have the mock-up on here, but right now I'll just do like this. So I need the back. That goes with that one. That goes with that one. That one goes with that one. This goes all the way up to the top because that's before. That's a thought process. And then I would put my mock-ups for the other stuff in here, right? Actually, maybe I might bring that down now that I think about it, because I've got the flat right there. Okay, and then save new order. All right, from here, I'm going to do my cover, right? I could do something like that if I want to, but I don't want. I made a thumbnail. Right there. Bring that up like that. That's pretty cool. All right. And then you need to titanium. Men's skin care. Oh, cap. No, all caps. Come on. Okay. And then I'm going to crop and continue. My creative fields, branding, graphic design, and packaging I'm going to do. Right there. And then I'm going to say done. Tools used, Adobe Illustrator. Come on. Adobe InDesign, because I used it for my advertisement, and Adobe Photoshop for my mock-ups and my mood board. Okay. No co-owners. I don't want anybody to, I don't want them to have my license there. The display we're good with. Discoverability. Titanium men's skin care subscription. And I could put, let's see. It's packaging. Let's do, okay, I've got billboard. I've got logo design. Anything that's not on the previous one where we add graphic design and the basic info here in the creative fields. Okay, so you've got mood board. Advertisement. I do have a website. I just have to get it. I'll get it in there. So I'm not going to put it in there right now. What else is in there? Labeling.
Do you want to see in titanium men's skincare subscription capitalized?
Yep. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So independence. What in D? Okay. No teams, none of that. And I'm going to save. And actually, I can do right here. Instructor project. I like to do that for my stuff so they know, you know, I'm still working on my skills as an instructor, you know. going through. I still will be putting my other mock-ups in here, but for right now, this is what I'm going to do. Okay. So when you scroll down, you'll see right here, it tells you titanium men's skincare. Let me try that over. Men's skincare subscription instructor project. Okay. It tells you the tools that you used, and you can download something. What am I downloading? Adobe Illustrator. Oh, okay. Billboard logo, mood board, and labels. So if I click on mood board or billboard, look what that does. It gives me a search if I want to search for billboards, right? All right. Now, that is what is expected of you for your Behance project for week 4A assessment. Or, yeah. Okay, so your thumbnail and your mock-ups, and then add all the work to your Behance portfolio. You don't have to submit to me a PDF or anything like that. Just going to be a Behance link. And then this Behance link submission document needs to be done, because this is where your work will be shown on our website, from the school website. Okay? All right. So now assessment B, all this is, and I'm going to show you, it's fairly easy to do, guys. Okay? I'm going to go in here. We're going to make sure everything, I'm going to take all my drafts. Let me check. I don't know if I have that in there or not. Let me go back to my profile. Where is bone ties? No, doesn't look like I have that in there. And that's weird, because it should be. What I did was I showed somebody how to hide it, and I'll show you that same thing too. 1 second. Okay. All right. So if you look, I have the ability to move these things around as well. Okay. These are all packaging up here, right? Do I have any more packaging? I don't think I do. Oh yeah, right here. This is the wine packaging. Yeah. So anyway, all right, so my other drafts, I'm just going to keep those on there because these are my older projects. I don't want to remove them because I don't know. Okay, so here's the work, right? Now, in order for you to create a website, you just need to go up here to the top. Click on Portfolio. Now, make sure you are signed in the right Creative Cloud. Now, I'm not signed into the right Creative Cloud. This is my other one, but I'm going to show you from the other one. I'm going to open that one up here in a minute after I show you this, okay? So I'm going to edit my sites. I don't want any of that. I'm just going to show you how to make a new site, okay? So I'm going to click on here. What do I want to create? A gallery of work or a splash page, right? I want to create a gallery of work, okay? I can choose a theme. These are the themes that are available. Maybe I'm going to go with this one this time. So it's going to create my site. And I've got to figure out what image is going to go on the front page too. Because it actually took my titanium. Oh, okay, we're good. We're good with that. All right, I'm actually good with that. I like how that works, but I need create a Behance for automatic import settings. Got it. Okay. All right. So there's a lot of things that I need to do because I want to keep my branding consistent, right? So first of all, I need to go through here in my pages and I need to look and see if there's anything in here that I don't want shown. Okay. So titanium, Sioux River, milk carton, chill out. Bowties holiday, birthright, aqua. Looks like everything is fine. Sometimes when you have your drafts that are still in there, it might show that, okay? But you don't, this one I don't, okay? So over here, there's a little pencil. And so you guys know the reading and videos this week is all about this as well, okay? I do demos based on what works easier for me. So there might be some other things that work better for you. So you can turn the masthead on if you want to. It's up to you how you treat that. I don't really care for that. I'm going to just go to my page cover. My cover images, no. My page title. I have a certain color theme that I use because I have my own branding. And you guys should have that same thing too. Okay. So I'm going to go to my logo and I'm going to double click. These are my colors that I use, right? So I'm going to click on that, double click. Nope, not there. Double click. Okay, see that color right there? The hexadecimal, we're going to copy it. All right, I'm going to bring it back over here. And then I'm going to paste it in there, just like that. And say done. Okay. So that's my page title. Do I want to do my page titles like that? You know, actually, I think I might do it the other way. That's all right. I'm going to keep that. Let me open this. File and new. I love my text document. I'm always using it for everything. All right, double click. This is the gray. I'm going to use this gray. Command C. I'm going to use the gray, I think. So I'm just going to put that there. All right. And I can say okay on that. And then I use white. I use a light gray too. Why did? That's weird. That should be a light gray. That's crazy. Right click here on group that. I don't know how that. No, it's not the light gray. It's the dark gray. I forgot. Yeah, I moved. There we go. Well, that's weird. Okay, so I'm going to go over here and double click. And there we go, just like that, and done. Okay. So the page dates. I'm going to go with a Futura. Page titles. Futura. Okay, that's fine. Oh, that was fun. I messed that up. Sorry, guys. I go back. Go back. It's not what I wanted. I'm thinking the page here. I did that totally opposite. Page titles need to be bright. So that's that. Okay. Page dates. I'll do the same. And done. Let's see. There we go. Much better. Now notice what happens when I have when I hover over that, right? It has like an interactive, right? So, whoops. I think I want to page titles. I'm going to do a little smaller. I don't really care for the 70. I think it's way too big. It's too much in your face. I want it to be large, but not too large. Okay. Maybe page date. Let me go with a white. And let's see. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. Nice. Okay, pretty happy with that. All right, now looking at this, I need to edit my cover image, right? Why is that? Because I can't even see the titanium logo, right? So I'm just going to do that. There it is right there. That's this. high up as it goes. So I might have to take the thumbnail and recreate it. Okay. Sioux River Brewery, I need to come over here, edit cover image, and I need to just bring that down just a little bit. Okay. Mayfield's good. Ice cream. Yeah, I'm going to move her face down a little bit. Edit cover image. Okay. Stella's corporate packaging. Yeah, I'm thinking page covers. I'm probably going to have to make that still a little smaller. Let's go with 55. Or, yeah, 55. Okay. Okay, I'm good with that. I just want to make sure it's not more than one line. Okay, so we'll come here, make this a little smaller. Edit cover image. Why does that? Okay. No, that's not working. It's showing as, edit cover image. Remove that image and I'm going to upload an image. I believe I have one in my documents. No. I don't even know where I did with that. Let me think here. All right, I'm just going to cancel that for now. I'll leave that the way that is. I'm going to have to go fix it. So, all right, that one looks. What I'm going to probably, in this case like this, what I would have to do, I don't find my clients. I don't know where they are. That's that one. I don't know where the rest of them are. Maybe I don't think I put them on here. I actually took them off because they are. Yeah, because this is a newer computer. So I'll probably have to bring that in. But basically if this happens, something like this, basically you'll take the color of the background and you'll make the logo a little smaller, okay? So this is, let me customize, let's see, page cover, still 55. I'm still seeing that I'm having a little overflow there, so I don't like that overflow. I don't know why it's doing it. It's still saying that, but okay. All right, let's see. I could just copy this image and I could do file and new, and let's do $900. Oh, no. Pixels. 900 by 900 and create. Paste it in here. See how it is right there? It does fit, but what I would want to do is make this a little bit smaller like this, okay? And then just take the brown. I'm using a native. You're going to use the native, but mine are not on this machine, so I'm going to just do that, okay? I'm going to file and export, save for web legacy. I'm just making it a little bit smaller, right? and then save. We're good. I'm just going to put Lori, desktop, and save. Okay. So now I'm just trying to give you guys an idea of how you can. Okay. Let's go back here. Okay. So if I edit this page cover, I can remove this image, right? Click on here, and I have it on my desktop. More right there, and then choose. Look at that. Okay, and then say done. But see, it's still just a little too big, so I probably have to make it a little bit smaller still. That's all right. I'm just going to go ahead. Come on, edit, please. Thank you. Edit page cover image. See if I can pull that down just a little bit. Yeah. You know, I think it's just because of these here. The shape or the size is what it is. So I probably would, let's see, height, 900, layout options. Let me go. Why are you not letting me do anything? Oh, hold on, it's frozen. Sometimes it does that. I don't know why. No. 1 0 0 0. Thank you. Okay. There we go. So I can change it based on the size that I want too. Let's see if that made, yeah, that made a difference for all of them pretty much. Edit cover image. I'm gonna bring that up a little bit. That's too much. Bring that down a little bit. Whatever. I'm not gonna argue with you. All right, so whoops, no, you, edit cover image. Bring that up just tiny. Okay, that one's perfect. That looks pretty good there. That looks pretty good there. Basic bank has got to come down a little bit. Still a little bit more. I don't know. It's not showing the true. I don't think it shows the true. Yeah, it doesn't show the true thing on there, but that's okay. That one's good. Gentleman's good. This one's got to come down just a tiny bit. No, I don't want to do that. I want, there we go. Nah. Okay, this has got to be brought down just a little bit. I don't like it like that. I like to see the reflection a little bit. It's stuck again. Behance just does that. So be very patient with it, guys. What in the world? I didn't ask you to go in there. Okay. All right. So that's what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that all of your, like this one here, page covers and stuff like that are perfectly aligned, and it makes logical sense that there's no words cut off. I'm not going to do any more of that right now. I'll just, because I want you guys to be able to see different things that you can do in here. Like I said, you could turn your masthead on if you want to turn your masthead on. And in that masthead, you can change that the way that you want it. You can do, it's froze again. No, I didn't ask that. All right, so this can say, welcome to my portfolio. If that's what you're going to do, you can do the top, you can do the bottom, you can do the background, add those masthead options. You can do the height, and of course it's froze again. Jeez, oh, Pete. I'm just going to stand up while we're waiting for a minute because we didn't get a chance to take a break today, so it's because we have a lot to cover. So I tend to get a little stiff sitting here. Okay. All right, masthead height. I can put it like right there. All right, and I'm going to use my color there. Okay, and then I'm going to masthead text. I'm just going to take that out. I don't want that. Take that out. I want the title, but I want the title in the Futura. And margins, top, bottom. Where are we at? It doesn't give you the option to do that's height, max width. Below header customizations. Okay. Let's do. Okay, now it's froze again. Okay, I have lots of patience, right? All right. No, you know what? I don't think I want anything there. I want to actually add image. No, I'm not going to add anything there because I want to be able to put the logo in there. So I'll leave that just like that. I don't want that button either. So I'm going to take that, turn that button off. Come on, turn off, please. Oh, okay. Come on, please. It's going round in circles. Okay. No button. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to go to social profiles. And you can add your stuff this way. I'm going to go to the other browser. I'm going to click over here, Twitter. Basically, you're going to come into Twitter if you have a Twitter. No, I'm not even logged in. I don't use Twitter all that much. I do tweet once in a while, some of my work, or if I have a discount or something like that going on. Okay. Actually, you can copy it up here if you want to as well. Okay. And go over to this one, turn the Twitter on, and just paste that in there. Behance. So this is right here, right like that, and copy that. LinkedIn. I'm not going to do all of them, but you get it. When you go to LinkedIn, make sure you go to your profile, okay? This is one that I use quite a bit. I keep going, why is that doing that? Oh, because I emptied the cache, that's why. Okay, so as you see, I use it a lot. So make sure you go to your profile, Command C there, and there you go, just like that. Okay, I'm just going to say done. Now, see this right here? Click right here, and you can do options. Icon style, you can change if you want to. Let's do this. So icon color, maybe I want to do that. Okay, and maybe, I don't know. I'll try that. Size and margins, icon width, bottom, top, I can do like that, right, left. I don't really want to, okay. I don't really want that there. I want to the left. No, maybe not. Yeah, I'm going to keep it, make it a little bit lighter gray though. Okay, well, there we go. Circle. Center. Background size, top, background size, icon width. And that'll be fine like that. Okay, so I need one more. My background color, I'm going to do that. Well, it's going to do it green. Okay, well, maybe I'll have to change that there. That's fine. To white. Okay, that looks pretty good. I don't scroll down arrow. Where are my logo? Logo. I can probably put my logo in there, but right, it doesn't allow me to. Okay, I'm just gonna go with that. Every site that you create is different with the settings, because like this one that I'm using, it only has one page cover as you scroll down. My other website has several. I'm going to do a fixed masthead. Come on, please. I wonder if it has something to do with Chrome, with I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to go like that. I need to, all right, so if I hover right here, I should be able to add a logo. Margins, masthead background. Let me see. This is not the logo. I know it's not. It can't be, because it'll actually repeat. Personal logo, web logo, right there. And done. Yeah, that's not it at all. Not it. Remove. Where in the world? Okay, well, we'll try something else. Gallery. Image color, color overlay. I don't need any of that. I need all galleries. There we go. Page covers. All right, layout options, cover images, none. Page titles. Okay, so these are the page titles for the inside ones. So I'm going to do the green, and that's good. And that's fine there. I can do columns if I want to. I can change those. And it's frozen again. I can, I can do them this way. It keeps freezing. Wow, how did that end up with a roundedness? I didn't make that round. Okay, sure. That's funky. Oh, okay. So I could do something like that if I wanted to. No, not something I want. So I could add gutter if I want to. If it'll let me show you guys, I apologize. It just not cooperating. So, I mean, you could do something like that if you really wanted to. I don't think it works too well. But on some of the websites, I will say, you can, like the cover margins and widths and stuff like that, you can do left and right and stuff like that if you want to. You can create a style, and it's still messing with me here. Come on, please. You can convert the image to black and white if you want to. Page dates, text container. I'm going to go here. All right, so site-wide, my header right there. My header container. Where is my logo? It's not, I don't think they, navigation. You said the rollover things. You can change the rollover if you want, like maybe on rollover you want to, I don't know, maybe you want it to be a little lighter. I don't know. Maybe we want to go with that instead. When you hover over it. Well, actually, that didn't even work. So let's go backgrounds, website container. Let's go back to where we were. Here, header. Right there, background. Nope. Well, there's the logo. Navigation, there it is. So this is the regular rollover and active. So I'm going to actually keep it. Okay, so this, my gallery titles, white on active, rollover, I'll keep the gray. And then the regular is going to be green. That's that. Page title, color, rollover. Okay, so my regular is going to be green. It's going to be the same. This is going to be the gray. And this is going to be, ooh, which one was that? Let me see, I don't remember. White, okay. Okay, we're done with that. And this has to be future PT, making sure All my links, everything is going to be Futura PT. Okay. Any links? Let's see, regular, rollover, we'll do green. And then say okay. There it is right there. Got another, oh, it's not going to work on white. So I'm going to have to come back over, customize, page titles, regular. Yeah, active's not going to work on, I mean, the link site is not going to work on white because we got the white on the background. So calorie titles, active, we'll do that. Okay. There. All right, that works a little bit better. All right, so this right here, my logo container, I knew it was there somewhere. There's my image, upload image. There's my logo. I can do something on rollover, responsive if I want to. I'm gonna actually, my max width is gonna be like 50. Where are you? Oh, no, that's not 50 pixels. So let's do 200. No. 600. No. No. Oh, 20. Okay, I think I'm gonna go like more like an 800. Yeah, it's still too big. Okay, and then I'm gonna center that. Yep, with that. Logo container, top. I don't need anything right there. Okay, done. All right, so navigation there. Done that already. I could, this navigation, let's see. Margins, I want that to be in the center. Let's see, not gonna let me. Really? Not letting me move it. Let me do it from here, maybe. No, it's not gonna let me. Yeah, some of them just All right, come on, thank you. Okay, top. I'll bring that. Actually, I like that right there, I think. And then I'm going to go back to the logo and okay, it's going to link. See where it says link to work? That's going to go back down to my work. So, okay. Why is this not? It's not allowing me to make these, move this up a little bit. Sometimes it's just, you don't have as much freedom as if you had a regular website. So, but that's okay. So if you want to add a footer, you can add a footer as well. This, I wish we could move this logo container. I wonder, try something. No, not with this one. With my other one, I can put the logo up in here, and it doesn't allow me to do that here, so that's okay. See, style, circle, square, rounded. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the circle. I like that. I think that works pretty well. You can add things if you'd like to with that. Now, you can change your colors, your images, your fonts, things like that. Like your image color, include background color. You can change the color in the font. See, right now I have the colors in the font as this one right here. I can make it a little darker if I want to, all the way through, which works pretty good, right? You can also add fonts to it if you want to. Maybe you have a particular font that you want to add to it. I'm going to keep the light style. I prefer that. You can, in your background, you can create a, let's say you create a pattern. I'm just going to use this one and say done. And it's not, see that how that has it in the top, right? That's not what I wanted to do. So undo. Come on, undo. It allows you to do the undo the last edit, but it's not moving. Thank you. Yeah, I can change this color if I want to any color I want to. Okay. And we got that already. What else do I need to show you? Navigation is good. All right, so now when we come in here and we click on this one, we click in here. Oh, hush. These right here, these are page headers. So we need to go into all pages, okay, page header. We need to do page title. I'm going to do, ooh, I don't want that background color on there. I'm going to have to change that. That's not what I wanted. So page title, okay, we want to make sure that it's Futura, okay, and I want to make sure that it is that color, I think. Okay, that. Logo container, any logo styles for pages with. No, I wanted a background. Background right there. Take that off. It seems like every time I open this, it doesn't allow me to. There we go. Come on, please take that off. There we go. So I'm wondering if my page header, it's centered, but that's not quite centered. So what's up with this? I don't know. Well, now that's very weird. Okay, let's try that. All right, so I'm just gonna save it. Preview it. Okay, good with that. Go back to work. Okay. I mean, there's a lot of different things I can do this if I want to. I can change it to black and white. I can, but I want you guys to, I'm going to find a way to put this up here. I don't like this right there at all. All right, so you guys would publish, oops, what did I just do? I closed it. What didn't I? Go back there. This one right here. Okay, so you guys would publish this site. Okay, you can click here, right? I can't do that with this one, but I'm going to show you on this one, my other Behance, because this is the one that I normally log into, but I didn't want to add all those projects and stuff because I already did some of those in here, and there are certain ones I don't really want to put in there. All right, so if I go to my portfolio here, edit my sites, and I have one right here, okay? I click on that. You notice how I have my masthead up here and my logo's up there. For some reason, it's just not working, okay? Let's see, customize. See, it depends on the website, I think. So anyway, with this one, I can update the site. Click it here, you update it, and it automatically will update your site, and then you can get your link. Now, for those of you that are interested in your, well, I'm trying to find them. Creating your own domain name, you can add that in here. This is your site subdomain you can put in if you want to. It walks you through how to customize, okay? And then you've got banners you can add. You can let's see, update payment. That's not okay. Social sharing icon you can use. You can hold on. I'm trying to find the domain. Okay, so your domain name, I can't remember. I don't want to move it. Let me see. I'm gonna look at the other one because I don't remember. You only do it once, right here. Purchase a domain. So why isn't that letting me? It's not letting me purchase. I don't know why. It has a free trial thing. It won't let me go in because I'm not in Adobe actually. So once you are in your Adobe, it'll allow you to purchase the domain or connect the domain. Okay. This is called Namecheap, and it's pretty cheap. I mean, literally, I think I paid like $12 for a whole entire year. So, all right. So when you're done, you're going to publish your site, and then you are going to, let's see, I'm going to show you. Let's go. I'm going to show you with this one over here. Okay, so I'm done. I'm going to update live site. Okay. I'm going to view my site. And when I view my site, this is what I'm going to copy once you view your site. I have a lot of students that have it stuck on one other page or whatever, but make sure that you go in here and you look at all your pages. Make sure everything is consistent with what you are intending. Okay? Any questions?
Not yet, but I'm probably going to be coming in tomorrow or Friday.
Okay, that's fine. Cynthia, did you want to stay after or you want to come in tomorrow? It's up to you. Okay. Okay, well, everybody, I'm going to wrap up the lecture, but I appreciate all the hard work you've done this module. If you have any questions or concerns, just remember you need to email me and let me know, especially for those of you that are having a rough time. I do have open session this week. Oh, excuse me. Tomorrow and Friday. My hours are going to be changing. But you are more than welcome to come in after the class is over if you need help as well. Just make sure that you go into the GAC and make sure of my hours. The other thing is I want you guys to make sure that you take that post-assessment, okay? Well, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up lecture for today, and you guys have a wonderful day. Congratulations for those of you that are going to graduation. I will be at graduation in Salt Lake City this year. Okay.
Thank you, Dana.